To start using Trust Wallet with Face ID login, first ensure your device supports this feature and that it is enabled in your settings. If you encounter issues, begin by checking that your Face ID is properly set up and working with other apps. When setting up Face ID for Trust Wallet, make sure your face is fully visible and well lit, as poor lighting can cause the login to fail. If you are still having trouble, try restarting your device and then attempt to log in again. A common issue is that the Face ID login may not be enabled within the Trust Wallet app itself. To resolve this, open the app, go to the Settings section, and look for the Security or Login options. Ensure that Face ID is selected as a login method. If you have recently updated your device's operating system or the Trust Wallet app, it may cause compatibility issues with Face ID login. Check the App Store for any updates to Trust Wallet and ensure your device is running the latest software. Another issue could be that your device's biometric data, including Face ID, has been reset or is not recognized. In this case, you will need to re-register your Face ID in your device's settings. For security reasons, if you have not logged into Trust Wallet for an extended period, Face ID login may be disabled as a precaution. You may need to use your backup phrase or password to regain access and then re-enable Face ID. To avoid issues with Face ID login in the future, regularly update your device and the Trust Wallet app, and ensure your Face ID data is up to date. Always keep your device and the app secure with the latest security patches and be cautious when using public devices or networks to access your wallet. By following these steps and best practices, you can resolve common issues with Trust Wallet Face ID login and securely manage your digital assets.